Okay guys, got an iPhone 11 Pro here. Customer was working out in the gym and dropped a plate on it. So we're going to show you how to fix the screen, guys. Take the bottom panel loop screws out and put it on the hot plate. Open the screen and remove the brackets. Disconnect the battery and the flex cables and remove the screen. Transfer the front earpiece speaker from the old screen to the new screen. New seal. Reprogram the screen. Reinstall the screen and put the brackets back on. Close it up. And we're done. Like and follow, guys. At 2,000 followers, we're going to give away $150.